Hi guys, Big 33 here with another tutorial for RPG Maker 2 for PlayStation 2. This is going to be a tutorial on how to, when you equip armor, have it change the color of the armor. This is going to be pretty quick. First, I want to go to menu, file. You see I've already started a beginner file, but if you go to file, new, in beginner, this will load all of the in-game data without changing your preferences. You can't do much with it, but if you go to file, preferences, user level, and change to hard, this will let you alter any of the data. That'll make it useful to completely edit your game. I know this is an old game. I'm not sure who plays this anymore, but I would definitely recommend it. Go ahead and update and exit. And I'm going to go ahead and create a script and create new data. And this will be really easy. We're going to call this original armor. Maybe not all caps there. It looks like I'm yelling. Original armor! And this will just reset it to default. I have a keyboard on my controller which doesn't exactly make inputting easier. I mean, it does, but I just get confused on what button I've pressed to tab the input or caps. They're kind of close to each other. It does make it kind of easier. So what's this gonna do? What this is gonna do is it's gonna change the member effect color. It takes 74 data to use. But we're not gonna actually alter the color right now. We're just gonna go to default and make that Verk. And we'll do just the color for this and make it 60 frames, just at 2 seconds or just over. So we'll update that. And this will be when you equip the normal armor, it'll just give you that default color. So I'll update and exit that. And then create new data. And this is gonna change the color of the armor. We'll go to gold armor. And this will change the color of Verk's armor. Verk, the first member. And you just go to members, effects, and where we went before, color, and choose a member. And this won't give you a model to look at until you actually go and select it. This is Verk's model right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a color and then alter it a bit. Change the saturation and the darkness to where it looks kind of like gold. And then save this to after so it updates to our swatch. Now I'm going to apply the swatch color to all these red patches so it looks gold. And update that. And then take this black color and apply our color before. But since we don't want it to be a flat color, I'm going to make this darker just a little bit. And then save that to my swatch. You'll probably be updating your swatch a lot if you're editing characters. I suggest it. Like I said, this is an old game. I'm not sure too many people ever played it in the first place. But really it's pretty decent. There's a lot you can do with the game. A whole lot. And what we're doing right now is we're just changing what the armor looks like. We're going to have this happen in the same amount of frames as the default, so they're smooth. And I believe that's all we need for that. And then update that. And we'll go to scripts and go to events and create 2 events. Our first event is going to be called default. If I spelled that right. I don't think I spelled that right. We'll just call it original armor. And this will be a system type event, or basically a plug-in. Data for the game to use would be how you term a system event. We'll go down to the original armor and apply it. And then just to make this a little faster, we can copy this and paste it. And since half of our text is written for us, we can just add the first part and apply the second script, which makes that easy. Now we need an actual item. So we'll go into game, items, and go down here. I want to look to see what kind of armor we have. So we have steel armor. I'll look at what armor he has, but we'll create 2. So the first armor we're gonna have is iron armor. We just call it standard armor. And then when we go into custom, we can change the type to body and change some of the data in the equipped. Will increase the HP by 10, increase the strength by 5, and increase armor by 6. Should be decent. And then we're done with that for right now. I'm gonna look at this. Okay. So here in equip item, we're gonna apply our script original armor. So when you equip the armor, it'll play that effect. We'll update and exit that. And then copy our standard armor and paste it and edit a few things. We're just gonna call it golden armor and go into our custom. We haven't written a description. You can use this if you want to, or you can conceal it. It's not a huge deal. The type's already set, and we can change some of these values here. The strength will change to 9, and the armor will change to 12, and the HP increase to 20. It's a pretty good number ratio difference there. And then go over to the advanced tab and go to equip and apply our second script. So we'll update that. And now we need to give these items to the player. So we'll go into General Settings, Advanced, no, Custom, and Items. And this will put this many items of each specific item into your pouch. This is a lot easier to add items to the pouch because you have a lot more available than you do on the individual character. And subtracting and adding items to the pouch is a lot easier. So we'll add one golden armor and one standard armor and apply that. And we'll just start the game. So you can see he's in his regular armor here. We'll go to item, bag, and go to golden armor. It won't let us equip it for some reason, I don't know. So we have to give it to Verk, I believe, and then go to Verk and equip it. Yep. So if we equip the golden armor, we can see now he is gold, so that worked. And then if we go into item, bag, and give Verk the standard armor, now if we go to him and equip it, we can see he is now back in his normal armor. This is a very simple and quick script. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, have fun.